Welcome to PC WizKids Tech Talk. Today we're looking at Kaspersky Internet Security 2011. Well, basically version 11 of the Internet Security package, which includes the antivirus as well. Now, when you go to the Kaspersky website, you can read up more about everything I'm going to show you, but there are different versions. You can download the Internet Security Suite or the antivirus version. There's a trial, of course, 30 days. You can download and try it out if you want. If you do decide to purchase it, there are the different options. Today I'm looking at the full-blown version here of the Internet Security Suite. For those of you interested in what is different between that and the antivirus alone, well, basically all the internet stuff, right? All the internet security, the network security, application control, the safe desktop. There's a few things in there that are only in the internet security option, like the anti-spam, for example, things like that are web related. Now, I've gone ahead and installed it here, so we're fast forwarding through the installation process, and we're going to launch Kaspersky Internet Security here so I can show you all the different features. So starting here from the top, the first thing that I usually do when I go in any antivirus program is find out where I can update it, okay, because you want to get the latest updates for viruses. So I immediately went in quickly, found that, and did the update. Okay, after I did that, of course, it said that I needed to reboot my machine for the changes to take effect. So I said, okay, fine, did that, and rebooted my PC. And then I went and I checked to see, okay, now how much memory is this using, right? Because that's important. You don't want your system to be bogged down and slow because you installed an antivirus program. So there it is. And by the way, it installs a widget on your Windows desktop, which I'm going to show you right here. You can access the reports or the settings. You can go into the options of that little widget there and change it. It's just basically a shortcut to accessing a whole bunch of different features. If you don't want it, you can disable it, obviously, and save a little bit of memory. It also runs on the system tray there. You can see the icon and access all the different options from there as well. Okay, so you got the options. Now, launching it in here, you can see all the different types of options that can be turned on or off. Okay, and these are the additional features that I'm talking about that are in the Internet Security package. Okay, so these are all the different types of protection that you would want, of course, if you're surfing a lot. And if you don't want certain things to be on at certain times, you can disable it, set it up the way you want. I like how it has the safe run feature as well, and easy to access everything, right? It's not very confusing to see all the different options. Okay, whether you want to enable the parental control or whether you want to disable temporarily the features so that way you can play games, whether you want to create a rescue disk, everything is really straightforward. It really took me seconds to figure things out here. And I love how it has easy ways to basically clear things, delete things, check for things. It has browser configuration control as well, so I like the fact that not only will it check your Internet Explorer for vulnerabilities, basically, and diagnose things for you, but also for Firefox, it includes some add-ons. So here's my Firefox add-ons. You can see that it put the anti-banner and also the URL advisor. You can turn those off, of course, if they bother you or if you think that you don't need that and you're safe the way you're browsing. That's fine. But it has all of those features, and like I said, it doesn't use up a lot of memory, which I liked. If you wanted to check the scan reports and stuff like that, easy way to access the scans, the reports, the quarantine areas to see if there's any files in there that you want to delete if you are the type of person that likes to check those types of things. So very complete package, of course. Lots of control, so you can actually turn things on and off or change the behavior, the way they work. So I love the capabilities of this software. Also, like I mentioned a second ago, there's this gaming profile option that allows you to basically turn certain things off when you're playing games, so that way it doesn't interfere with your performance, right? So using a gaming profile is obviously something that many of you might be interested in. And well, here it is in action. If you plug in a USB stick or an external drive, it'll check it, right? You can have it automatically scan it or not. Here it's detecting me launching a program and potentially saying that there's suspicious activity with that, and if I want to allow it or not, or exclude it from being scanned as part of the suspicious apps. And I can just say this is an object, it's okay, exclude it from next time, and let my core temp utility run because I want that. So terrific utility from Kaspersky. Definitely recommend this if you're looking for something, because I know I mentioned about free ones, but you get what you pay for, right? So definitely recommend this one, and I'd like to thank Kaspersky for providing it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.